things. There's a lot of consolidation happening in terms of the operators, players coming together. That's one thing. And also a lot of consolidation happening from the procurement aspect. So what we're saying is, instead of large government departments buying in silos and isolation, so now a lot of, like what we see sometime back in banking sector, that a lot of public sector banks have come together and they have procured the solutions in a common way. So that's one thing. Second, a lot of things will be happening on the OPEX model. That's another thing what we're seeing on the financial side. So instead of customer spending upfront, now more things are happening on the transaction basis. These are all things we are seeing as an emerging trend, I would say. We have I would say 3 or 4 pronged strategy, and we very strongly believe that it's very important to have a good interaction with the customer to understand what is the requirement, how things would mature and happen. So first and foremost thing is our direct interaction with the customer. So that's we go over there, understanding and sharing with them our global experience, because NEC happens to be in all parts of the world. So sharing with them how we have managed things in different parts of the world, that's one thing. Secondly, we have strategic partners. When I say strategic partners, it is people in the private space, large system integrators, and the government space. These are some of the PSU companies. So we have strategic alliance with them. So we go along with them. So there's some part of work being done by them. Maybe the core technology comes from NEC. So it's a mixed bag strategy how we do. As of now, from public safety aspect, not much focus on SME. Yeah, we are focusing more on state governments and central government, and as I mentioned, state police, which we are very strong, our AFS solution, more focus on it. Since we are into a contract with them, we can't disclose the names, but this is currently a large department under Planning Commission, which is the process of issuing identity to all the citizens of India. So that's one customer of ours, very large. Then 4 of the state police where we deployed our APIS solution, those are customers. I said I will not be able to mention those state police.
Karnataka police is there.
Yeah, Karnataka is one of the customer. Then recently we bagged an order from one of the banks. So that's how the penetration of NEC has happened into the banking sector. So that's our focus. We have a team of around 35 people, and we are adding more people as businesses grow.
Development center?
Yes, we have a development center in Bangalore, which is called NBEC, NEC Biometric Excellence Center. So when we started that almost a year and a half back, used to cater to the Indian market. But after seeing the performance of NBEC, what has happened is even the global NEC business is coming to NBEC now. For example, if some solution is developed in Middle East, then NEC Middle East would try to see if NBEC can work on the solution, offload the work to them. So, and the results are very encouraging. We want to further consolidate into the areas what we penetrated. For example, I mentioned we got into banking. Now we want to go deeper into the financial sector, look for insurance, because these are the areas where we feel biometrics will play a very crucial role, which is our strength. So we will get into that. Then we want to get into citizen identity programs, wherein all I would say the social initiatives of the state and the central government, you need to identify a person. So again, we see we will have a crucial role to play over there. Good for the consolidation.